I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good stash in Minecraft. First, let's cover the basics. A well-hidden stash is crucial for safeguarding your precious items from both other players and unexpected environmental dangers. When choosing a location, think about remote areas such as deep underground caves or hidden underwater spots for maximum security. Always build your stash with robust materials like obsidian or reinforced deepslate to ensure its integrity. Now let's dive into some advanced hiding strategies. To truly secure your stash, conceal its entrance using natural terrain features, like a hidden waterfall or by building a clever piston door. For an extra layer of protection, integrate intricate redstone mechanisms to create complex, nearly undetectable access points. Don't forget to set up decoy chests filled with common, less valuable items to mislead any curious raiders. Fortifying your stash is key to long-term security. Consider implementing multiple layers of defense, such as strategically placed lava traps or deep fall damage pits around your entrance. To optimize your storage, utilize shulker boxes. They significantly increase capacity and make transporting items much easier. Remember to regularly inspect your stash for any signs of tampering or potential vulnerabilities to keep your treasures safe. Maintaining your stash's security is an ongoing process. The most important rule is to keep its location an absolute secret, sharing it with 0 other players. For enhanced security, consider periodically moving your entire stash to a new, completely undisclosed location. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your real-world clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making home cleaning a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.